Morning guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I will be discussing about the GK and GS one-liner questions of part 30. Please have a look whatever the questions have been given in all the parts. They are very useful for all competitive examinations. So let us see what we have been given in the part 30. Chota Nagpur plat is called the heart of industrial India because it is rich in minerals as well as power fuels. Please remember this. Whatever the Chota Nagpur plat, that is called the heart of industrial India. So because they have got the maximum mineral as well as power fuels. Judicial review function of the Supreme Court means the power to examine the constitutional validity of laws. Please remember, whatever the judicial review function of the Supreme Court, that means the power to examine the constitutional validity of laws. Next, we have the idea of Pakistan, whatever has been renamed, that Pakistan was conceived by the Chaudhary Rahmat Ali. You can see to the right side how exactly Rahmat Ali looks like. He was the one, the main idea of the Pakistan was conceived by Chaudhary Rahmat Ali. And after the division of the India as well as Pakistan, Liaquat Ali Khan has become the Prime Minister of Pakistan. In the case of India, Jawaharlal Nehru had become the Prime Minister. There was a pact between the Muhammad Ali Jinnah as well as Mahatma Gandhi. So this is one thing you have to remember. The ultimate goal of Salt Satyagraha, that is Purna Swaraj for India. As in the arms and legs, blood flows against gravity and is prevented from flowing back by valves. This is one thing you have to remember. In arms and legs, blood flows against gravity and is prevented from flowing back by valves. Next, we have the capillary action is due to adhesion as well as surface tension of the liquid. Because of that capillary action takes place. We knew that why the mercury is used in the all thermometers, because it has got the ability, that is that characteristics of adhesive nature. It will not stick to the walls of the respective glass or whatever the material. Starch is a mixture of carbohydrates. We knew that starch has got the content of the carbohydrates. The basic characteristic of oligarchy is, that is a few sellers, many buyers. This is what happens in the market. Oligarchy means few sellers will be there, but the demand of the good is very high. Many buyers are there. Next, we have the modern economy is not characterized by self-sufficient village system. This is one thing, guys. The modern economy is not characterized by self-sufficient village system. The recent devaluation of rupee can increase exports only if the demand is elastic. This is, please remember, the recent devaluation of whatever the rupee can increase exports only if the demand is elastic. India opted for a federal form of government because of linguistic and regional diversity. We knew that whatever we have been divided, all the states, they are linguistic based, and India opted for the federal form of government because linguistic and regional diversity is the only reason. The proposal of preamble, we knew that the index page of the Constitution of India is what? That is the preamble. That proposal had been given by the Jawaharlal Nehru prior drafting the committee of the Constitution, because we knew that the chairman of this drafting committee is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Once you open the page of that book, Constitution of India, the maiden page will be the preamble. We knew that what exactly the preamble states: for the people, by the people, whatever the we the people of India, that has been given with the good statement. You can directly go to the preamble. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. You can join me on Defense ICTA. There are more than 800 plus question papers have been given. You can directly have a look. Next, we have India opted for a federal form of government because of linguistic and regional diversity. I already discussed it. It's linguistic as well as regional diversity. The increase in the rise of carbon dioxide leads to the rise in the earth at temperature. We knew that what is the reason for the global warming? That is because of the carbon dioxide only. So as you can see to the right side how exactly it looks like, the carbon dioxide leads to the rise in the earth temperature. The cathode in a vacuum tube is coated with oxide of barium or thorium. The purpose of coating is to give a copious supply of the electrons. This is one thing we have to remember. The cathode in a vacuum tube is coated with oxide of barium or thorium. The purpose of coating is to give a copious supply of the electrons. This is one thing you have to remember. Next we have the gas used in the artificial ripening of the fruit is, that is acetylene. We knew that acetylene helps in fastening and fastening in the ripening of the fruits. This acetylene is used, and you should remember, please go through whatever has been given. In the case of welding also it is used, so please go through whatever the internet and how exactly it can be used. For the ripening and welding also the same thing is used. The ore in the earth's crust have come from the underground magma. As you can see to the right side, from the volcano eruption, that magma comes out of the eruption. So this is one thing, the ore in the earth's crust have come from the underground magma. On prolonged exposure to air, sodium finally changes into sodium sulfate. When the sodium directly exposed with the air, then directly it converts into the sodium sulfate, that is NaSO4. You can see to the right side how exactly the core of the earth, everything it is given. You can have the look how exactly crystallization from lava as well as crystallization from magma and the crystallization by evaporation and hydrothermal crystallization, they are all 1, 2, 3, 4. You can have the figures and have a good idea about it. The physical properties of diamond and graphite are different because they differ in the arrangement of atoms. We knew that the diamond has got tetravalent bond. In the case of graphite you don't find that. They are all allotropes of carbon. That is because of the arrangement of the atoms only. Next we have the DPT vaccine, which is used for the immunizing the infants against diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus. We knew that what exactly the DPT stands, diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus. These are the few diagnosis. That diagnosis will be given that DPT vaccine for the infants to protect against these three diseases. Next we have the organisms at the base of the food chain are photosynthesis plant. We knew that whatever the food chain starts from the photosynthesis of the plants only. From that we start from the plant, animal eats, animal be eaten by the humans. These are all the circulation process done by the photosynthesis is the main foundation for all these. The time period of the simple pendulum depends upon the length of the pendulum. We knew that if the length of the pendulum is increased, automatically the time period gets very greater. So the more you increase the simple pendulum, the more time it will be taken by the bob of the pendulum. Here you can see how exactly the pendulum looks like. The energy is transferred from one place to another by which process? By the waves. We knew that whenever there is a great blast, automatically the energy gets released by in the form of waves, and whatever the which comes in a obstruction, that will be destroyed with the wave. Food Corporation of India prefers to store wheat in desert like conditions to provide low humidity. This is one thing you have to remember. Whenever you find the grain stores and all, FCA prefers to store wheat in desert like conditions to provide low humidity. So you can see to the right side how exactly they looks like. That looks like desert like conditions to provide the low humidity over the place. The genetically transmitted disease are, that is hemophilia and sickle cell anemia. These are the two diseases which are genetically transmitted diseases. That is hemophilia, that is concerning to the blood, and sickle cell anemia. This is also a blood, so which comes from the genetics. The periodic law of Mendeleev, we knew that Dmitry Mendeleev had formulated the periodic table. That periodic table states that the properties of elements are periodic function of their, depending upon the atomic weight, it has been segregated into the various element with the numbers. The element is obtained by paddy plants from water during the carbon dioxide fixation carbon. So please remember, the element is obtained by the paddy plants from the water during the carbon dioxide fixation, that is carbon is the one which is obtained by the paddy plants. Next we have the charcoal can be made in the home by burning wood in absence of air. We knew that whatever the charcoal can be made in the home by burning wood in the absence of air at our home can be made. That you have to burn the air, burn the wood in the absence of air. Relics of Buddha are preserved in a stupa. We knew that whatever the relics of Buddha had been preserved in the stupa. The scriptures of the Gandhara school reflect the influence of the Greeks. This is one thing you have to remember. Sorry, the sculptures of the Gandhara school that depicts the influence of the Greeks. The ruler towards the end of his life is said to have converted into Jainism. We should remember who all are the rulers adopted what type of religion. Here the Chandragupta had adopted the Jainism. If you take the Ashoka, he had adopted the Buddhism by the advice of Upagupta. These are a few questions guys I have prepared and many more to follow. Please subscribe it and share it to your friends. This is my mobile number. You can call me or you can message me. 2100 PDF of GK and GS have been given. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.